Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So on this 2001 Chevy Venture, as you can see right there, the gas gauge keep going up and down. If I shake the car two side, it even go up and down really quick. So look at it guys. So in this case now, the reason for this is because the sending unit in the gas tank did get bad, so it cannot read accurate amount of gas in the tank, so I have to get it replaced. So as you can see right there, and sometimes, I don't know if it will happen now, but sometimes the needle go all the way to E and show need fuel. So that's the problem with the sending unit. I'm going to show you guys what the sending unit look like and a new pump for this exact same car. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So this is a brand new fuel pump for this car. Still in the package. Okay, so as I was mentioning in the video about the sending unit, I want to show you what it look like guys. So this right here called the sending unit. This is what read the gas, the amount of gas in the car. This black piece right here. So oftentimes this piece it go bad, so it cannot read accurate. So that's the reason why it keep going up and down. It's fluctuating. Okay, so let me see. This is the float valve right here. This black piece right here in the bag. It's called the float valve for it, and also come with this wire harness. Also come with a seal. So right here is what you use to connect the wires, but oftentimes you don't have to do any connections, but they just send this piece in case any damage take place with that wire. Okay, I think I should take it out of the bag so y'all can take a better look on it guys. Let me pause the video and take it out of the bag. Okay guys, so now I remove it from the bag so you can get a better view and understanding about it. So this is what really the amount of fuel in the tank. This piece right here called the sending unit, and the fuel pump down in here, that black piece you see down here with the wires. It's the fuel pump right here guys. These are the lines where the lines go for the gas. That's a sensor right there, the pressure sensor. It's a filter right here guys. So it's for a 2001 Chevy Venture, and this is the float valve. So this piece attach right here, attach just like this. So push in there, but I'm not gonna push it in there as yet because I don't ready to install it in the tank as yet. So that's it guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.